Now we are going to change the color of the background in the view in ArcMap, and also we will change the color of selection in the features and selection in the table view or attribute view. Okay, for that we need to load some shape file here. I will use this shape file and I drag it here. So these are 3 provinces in Sumatra Island, Indonesia. Now I think we should do a simple symbology to distinct these 3 provinces. Okay, there. And now we will change the background color. First, we can use the view and data frame properties, and frame we can change to maybe like this, or we can click here layers and right click here properties. The same dialog pop up there, and we can change to maybe LT blue. And okay, but if you think this blue here surrounded here is ocean or sea, we will be mistaken. This is wrong, because here it is the Riau province, here Bengkulu province, and Lampung province. I mean, there are some provinces left that is hidden here. So for that we need to put another shape file here, maybe provinces in Sumatra, and there. Okay, I will change it to rows maybe. Okay, so this is right. So if we assume this blue is ocean or sea, that is right, because this blue or ocean or sea is surrounds the island of Sumatra. Okay, all right. Now I will select here once, and we will change this color here by click selection, option view, options, and maybe we will change to green, maybe green this. Okay, and there, this is green, and we will open attribute table, and here we will see this. Okay, this is blue, this is blue. Now we will change the color of the selection in the table here by click customize ArcMap options and table, tab table. This is the tables. Use this color for selected reports, so we change it maybe to darker blue like this and apply. Now you see the color of the selected reports in attribute table is changed. Okay, I think that's all for changing the color of the background, the selection in the data view, and selection in the attribute table. Thank you.